भगवते वासुदेवाय वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुता पदकमलम्.
So, this is our position, that we cannot understand Krishna by our mental situation, limitation. That is not possible. We have to engage. Sevamoki jivado. Beginning from jiva, from tongue. Tongue is the greatest enemy and it is the greatest friend of. If you allow the tongue to do whatever it likes, smoking, drinking, eating meat and this and that, then it is your greatest enemy. And if you do not allow the tongue, you can control the tongue, then you can control all the senses. Automatically. তার মধ্যে জুহাবতী লোভময় সুদূর তারে যেতা কঠিন সংশয় কৃষ্ণ বড় দয়াময় করিবারে জুহায় সপ্রসাদ অন্ন দিল ভাই সেই প্রসাদ অন্ন পাও রাধা কৃষ্ণ গুণগা প্রেমে ডাকো সেই জন্য. So tongue should be used always for glorifying the Supreme Lord. That is our business, is the tongue. And the tongue should not be allowed to anything except Krishna Prasad. Then you become liberated, simply by controlling the tongue. And if you allow the tongue to do anything, then it is very difficult. So the spiritual education, as Krishna says, begins when you understand that I am not this body and satisfying the senses is not my business because I am not this body. If I am not this body, why shall I bother myself to satisfy the body only? Body means the senses. This is the person. So the karmis, jnanis, yogis, they are all trying to satisfy the demands of the body. The karmis are directly doing that. Eat, drink, be merry, and enjoy. They are philosophers. Jnani is also simply trying to understand that I am not this body. Neti, 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 neti. This is not, this is not, this is not, this is not. The yogi, they are also trying to come to the point of controlling the senses by bodily exercise. What is it? So their center of activity is body. Center of activity is body. And our philosophy begins that you are not this body. When they will pass their examination in studying this body, then they may be able to understand what is their function. But our philosophy begins that you are not this body. Post-graduate step. You are not this one. That is Krishna's instruction. We have seen so many big politicians and scholars in India. They write comments on Bhagavad Gita, but they write on this bodily concept of life. We have seen in our country the great leader Mahatma Gandhi, his photo is in Bhagavad Gita. But what did he do? Throughout his whole life, his body becomes, I am India. I am India. Nationalism means that's bodily concept of life. I am Indian, I am American, I am Canadian. But we are not this body. Then where is the question of I am Indian, I am American, I am Canadian? So they have no this knowledge, the bodily concept of life that absorb and is still there, authority of Bhagavad. Just see the fun. And Bhagavad Gita teaches in the beginning, you are not this body. And they are in the bodily concept of life that just try to understand what is their position. What they can understand Bhagavad Gita. If one is feeling that I belong to this nation, I belong to this family, I belong to this community, I belong to this cult, I belong to this, I belong to this religion, everything is bodily concept of love.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,